thing we do is tackle the problem of issue reporting. To do this, we use an interactive global map which gathers data from different data sources such as Virtual Earth or OpenStreetMaps. OpenStreetMaps to help pinpoint the issue clearly to the authorities. In other words, we act locally, but we think globally. So, how do we report issues using our system? The first thing we do is zoom in on the local community. For this instance, we chose the city of Iași. The next thing we do is activate the issue overlay. We can clearly see that now some issues are in the system, but we want to add a new one. Remember when Ali was talking about the drug-related problems? Now I think it's time to do something about it. So we go to the area we think it's affected, we complete some details regarding the issue, like the title, a description, some tags which we'll use to navigate and correlate between problems, and also a category which we'll use to help determine the authority which is best suited to tackle the problem. We chose the development goals as our categories, and by authority we mean the local city hall or even non-governmental organizations. Now the next step is, which will be showcased by Călin, is that we wait for community feedback.
Hi, I'm Călin, and as a friend of Andrei and a close neighbor, I'm very glad that he posted this problem into the system, because I myself have problem with this suspicious guy who sells drugs near the school, and I decided that because it's a real problem for my community and for the area in which I am living, I must promote it to let the authorities know that this problem has a great impact on this community. So I promote it by putting votes, positive votes. It is a real problem. As we can see, already other users posted this problem, that it is important for the community. Of course, other users, in this case, my friend Adi here. And only for the showcase, we permit to vote more than once for a single person. In the real application, just one vote per person. And we see comments that can be added and inform the authorities about necessary details that they must know.